Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Gray, shot down behind the wheel. Gonna take you on another full self-driving video. This time with 11.4.7. So we're gonna get to see how the new software's handling. Haven't had a chance yet to send it up with Wilson. So we're gonna get the action camera perspective along with the passenger view on this one. But should be quality angles all around. If you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the crazy YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it. No, 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 no! Way freaking too soon. Well, nice to know that that issue is still here. Okay. It can do the maneuver now. That would be an acceptable time to do it. And there we go. As you guys will see on the video, I'm in a very rural area where it's not necessary. Traffic doesn't back up that far. There's no need whatsoever for the vehicle to get in that lane so soon. It's not natural. I've never seen anyone else ever do that maneuver. And trust me, I've seen some weird drivers. I'm going to let this play out. Okay, it could go now. Could absolutely go now. Like, I'm just going to take over and go. I have vehicles behind me holding me up. I could clearly see. The fact that it couldn't clearly see is not my problem. In my personal drives, I don't like to proceed into the intersection until it's safe to go. Green, yellow, red, I don't care what the color is. I stay behind the stop line. I do that for safety. So the beta creeping out into the intersection has always kind of freaked me out a little bit. This might be another disengagement. The beta could clearly go. I would go. I don't have anybody behind me, so I'll let it just kind of sit here. But I think you guys could see that I could actually make this. Alright, making a left up here. Question begins. That's the signal light I'm making a left at. Does it get in the left lane too soon again? Let's see. Anytime from here on out. Perfect. And the car proceeds. Perfect. So coming up here, we have an interesting scenario where I've had difficulty at this stop sign making a left. I'm curious to see how 1147 handles it. It's not this maneuver coming up where I make a right, but it's actually the following where I make a left after. In prior builds, what it has done is kind of done a lazy left where it takes over the adjacent lane. It's not that the maneuver is uncomfortable, it's just that it takes up a large majority of the road when it performs the maneuver. So let's see how it does today. So here's the stop sign. It's approaching it nice, controlling for it. You can kind of see how it's actually controlling to make a left here. Now I have to wait for a car that's already turning. And you can kind of see how it's turning too much. It's basically overtaking this entire road as it's making that maneuver. If there was another vehicle coming from the opposite direction, I would have been actually in their lane of traffic. So 1147 still has the same issue with making a left. It just does it smoother. Well, as we come up to the end of the drive, I appreciate you tuning in. Once again, I'm Gray Shot down behind the wheel. This has been a full self-driving 11.4.7 action camera perspective, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.